How we all doing, everyone, and welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'll be doing a video on how to get exclusive shoutouts on the channel, because as I mentioned in my previous video right here, YouTube Burnout, I want to give back to you guys and help your channels out as well, because I know the struggle of growing on YouTube. So guys, I'm going to make this very brief and short. What you guys have to do in order to get shoutouts on the channel is basically two things. One is going to be hit the notification bell on my channel. If you guys don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you right here. You click the little subscribe button right here, and then you see this bell right here. You're going to click get notified about every video. Just click that, and it's going to send you a reminder whenever I post a video, so you guys can be the first to check up on those. So just do that, and whenever it comes, so I know that you hit the bell, all you have to do is go into the comments section right here and just type something like hashtag notification squad. Leave that comment. Just do that. I'll know that you are part of the notification squad and you use notifications. Second of all, just come over to Twitter and hit me with a follow. I always have the link to my Twitter below. Been using Twitter recently. It's been pretty awesome, actually. A great way to connect with people and great way to find topics that you're interested in. I'm a huge fan of 8 Thoughts on Twitter as well. I've been checking up on him. So guys, all you have to do is just go follow me on Twitter and hit that notification bell, and you will receive exclusive shoutouts. Just message me on Twitter saying, hey, I followed you from YouTube, and yeah, I'll shout out your channel, do all that good stuff, and help you promote your guys' channel, because I know how hard it is to grow on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. As I said, follow me on Twitter, hit that notification bell, and you'll receive exclusive shoutouts on the channel, usually probably beginning of my videos and stuff like that. So thank you so much for watching. Go check out my previous videos. I'll put cards in the top right. Got merch linked right here. If you guys are interested in any Life Made Easy merch, I like this design especially, but it's all right here if you want to check it out. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.